welcome to the next session of Social Buzz e-learning. Today is the last Saturday of March 2020. And last Saturday means what? अरे बाबा 1 घंटा लाइट ऑफ रखनी है 8 बजे से लेकर 9 बजे तक. Earth Hour याद है? So today is the day when we're going to celebrate Earth Hour in the times of quarantine in Corona. Well, there can't be a better day to celebrate Earth Hour today, right? Now what is Earth Hour? ये concept कहाँ से आया और है किसका concept? So typically Earth Hour and some campaigns of this sort which tend to bring to your notice and my notice environmental issues or some other societal issues or behavior change, they are actually summed up under cause marketing. Cause marketing मतलब social cause वाला cause marketing. Now cause marketing, the term was coined in 1976. 1976 में सैंटा क्लारा कैलिफोर्निया के अंदर मैरिट कॉर्पोरेशन एंड मार्च ऑफ डाइम्स ने मिलकर एक कैंपेन रन किए एंड दे बोथ हैड म्यूचुअली बेनिफिशियल अरेंजमेंट एंड दे बोथ गॉट अ पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. प्लस दे ऑल्सो रेज्ड अवेयरनेस अबाउट अ सर्टेन टॉपिक विच वॉज प्रिवेंशन ऑफ बर्थ डिफेक्ट्स इन चिल्ड्रन. वहाँ से शुरू होता है सिलसिला अबाउट कॉज मार्केटिंग. नाउ इन दिस एरा ऑफ ग्लोबलाइजेशन, when we see that we are working in MNCs, when we see there is so much of pollution, there is so much of manufacturing that's happening and everything that's going on, there is also inequality that we see around us. Some people are making millions while some people are only managing to live, sustain themselves. इस टाइम पे ऐसा क्या होता है कि organizations feel that they need to bring about a societal change and they put in their efforts for a campaign to bring about awareness about that campaign, to bring about a behavioral change in the people's attitude towards that campaign, and in turn they also benefit a bit from it in the form of brand loyalty or in the form of better employee morale. Or for non-profit organizations that do such things, they also get more funding from credible organizations. Now Earth Hour is one such campaign that has been started since 13 years now. So it started off in 2007 in Sydney, Australia, in a very small group which involved local communities by WWF, World Wildlife Foundation, right? There is only one thing that we and you need to do in this Earth Hour campaign. Just switch off the light for 1 hour and we are making an environment more friendly, right? Now such a campaign, why is it surviving for 12 or 13 years, and how come you and I are still talking about it after 13 years? Let me get into that. Earth Hour, which started off 13 years back, raises awareness about sustainable living. A big idea, if you can think of. However, when it gives a call to action to all of us, it is for switching off light only for 1 hour. A very simple thing for us to do. In that 1 hour of switching off our lights of the entire home, you can sit in the park, not in today's times, but you can sit with your family in the balcony, get some fresh air. You can probably have a nice session of somebody playing a guitar or somebody playing music or somebody singing for you. Basically, it promotes family bonding and nobody minds 1 hour of family bonding, right? So it's a very small ask of you and me and a bigger cause for the world. Plus, it comes from an organization that is neutral, change inducing, and is a credible name in the global scenario, WWF, World Wildlife Federation. It started off in 2007, and in 2017, in its 10th year of celebrations of Earth Hour, when it saw that the communities are increasing, number of countries that are celebrating Earth Hour are increasing, they celebrated the 10th year very fondly. In that 10th year of celebration, you might be surprised to know that social media marketing had taken the world by storm. And the post on Instagram that went most viral during the 10th year celebration of Earth Hour was the post by Lotus Temple, in which the Instagram post showed that Lotus Temple before Earth Hour was shining bright, and after Earth Hour, during Earth Hour, it was dim. This post went most viral according to social media experts, social breakers and all. This is interesting for you to know. And the tweets. In the 10th year of celebration, the maximum number of tweets about Earth Hour using the hashtag Earth Hour was by US, Canada, UK and 4th number India. So India was very proactive in promoting Earth Hour at that time as well. In this year, in 2019 in fact, in the last year, Man vs Wild के जो presenter है, Mr. Bear Grylls, who interviewed PM Modi a few months back, and Greta Thunberg, a UNK activist, they have been promoting this event and making it a success. And this year also, you and I and other micro influencers, plus major influencers, plus the cause itself and the organization, we will all promote to put that 1 hour of electricity behind us and just sit with our families and talk. Now, this is a very, again, it looks like a very big picture, a very big marketing campaign done for a social cause and bringing about a big change. Now, how has the change actually happened? सिर्फ 1 घंटा spend करने से बच गया environment? No, there is more to it. Uganda में, in Uganda created an Earth Hour forest as a impact of Earth Hour. They built an Earth Hour forest. In Russia, 250,000 Russians demanded preservation of their seas and forests by drawing inspiration from Earth Hour. In USA, there was a massive LED light installation. LED light obviously uses less electricity to produce the same lumen for you. So the Girl Scouts in USA, they ran a campaign of LED installation across USA. And in India also, there were many solar powered villages that happened during the Earth Hour. So you see, this is a cause marketing campaign, Earth Hour, which we will practice tonight. It's a very big campaign to see, but backed by a credible organization and giving a very simple task for each and every citizen to do, which makes it a success that has endured over the past 12 or 13 years. With this, I want to tell you that every organization that does this campaign has a positive impact on the buyer persona. If you go to a supermarket and if you pick up an item and you look at the other competitors of that item, maybe if that company has done a cause marketing campaign in the past which sticks in your brain, you might be tempted to buy that product more than the other companies which have not done a similar cause marketing campaign. So this builds brand loyalty as well, leads to sales promotion, plus employee morale, plus funding, plus many other tangible and non-tangible benefits for the brands. So I hope with this you understand the significance of cause marketing in today's times, and I hope that tonight we will see you switch off the lights from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and probably have some nice music going on in your backyard. That's it from Social Buzz e-Learning. This is Ambut signing out. Thank you.